You might be one of the millions of Americans who are facing major increases to your health insurance premiums. Thank you for joining us. I'm Alex Bell. Leading our show tonight, the two California Congress members who introduced a bipartisan bill with the hopes of helping those who rely on the Affordable Care Act. Now, more lawmakers have joined to co-sponsor the bill. ABC's 10's Jeannie Nguyen is here to share with us how this legislation would work if passed, and also why bipartisanship was so important for this specific issue.
Alex, it's a big shift from the back and forth during the government shutdown we saw a few weeks ago, with both parties blaming one another for the shutdown and failures to find solutions to keep health care costs low. Now, two California lawmakers from opposing parties are coming together to help their constituents.
Tax credits under the Affordable Care Act are set to expire by the end of December, and as it stands, it would dramatically increase the cost of health care insurance for millions of people nationwide.
The Fix-It Act would address skyrocketing premiums from health insurance by extending the Affordable Care Act tax credits by 2 years.
Introduced by Democrat Congressman Sam Liccardo and Republican Congressman Kevin Kiley, the Fix-It Act aims to overhaul the program and keep that coverage in place. Right now, monthly premiums for people enrolled are expected to jump an average of 97% once those tax credits expire, a change that would hit nearly 2 million Californians who rely on Covered California.
Enacting other measures to help pay for it, to reduce broker fraud and to reduce the insurance windfalls that have been accrued by too many insurance companies through Medicare Advantage programs.
Kiley says it's important to note that this would not add to the national deficit.
So we're not increasing the deficit, we don't have to raise taxes, and we also spare people from this massive increase in healthcare costs.
Because of the looming deadline, Kiley says bipartisan support is key in getting this bill passed and signed into law. The bill currently has 5 Democrats and 5 Republicans as sponsors, with more looking to be added from both sides of the aisle.
I think that the White House does want to see a deal here, but ultimately it's up to Congress to take the initiative to actually pass legislation. So we've been building support for our proposal in a bipartisan way.
At this time, this bill is not scheduled to be heard, but both Liccardo and Kiley tell me they're hopeful relief will come to their constituents. Alex.
All right, Jeannie, thank you.